Here I have Oppo A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to change system navigation method from these old-fashioned 3 buttons to gesture navigation. So firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the additional settings and then to the system navigation. Here you can select gestures, you can also start a tutorial how to use them by tapping learn or just cancel it. You can also hide gesture guide bar to make your device look even more minimalistic, which I suggest you to do. Without this bar it's even better. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.